I am using the official AISLER lovely library files. You can install them using the plugin and content manager from this special repository. Here is the GitHub repository with all the information there. You can check the path to the installed library files here in the symbol editor. I have prepared a cookbook on using Git with KiCad libraries. The cookbook is available on the AISLER community website. Let's use the split screen again to show the cookbook and the command line terminal. The terminal now is in the lovely library. The first step is to initialize the local Git repository. On Mac, it's recommended to ignore the DS store files. The next step to add all files, git add dot, and commit all the changes. It means all the edit files as the initial commit. Let's test it and make some changes. I noticed that 2 transistors in the BJT transistor library have leading spaces in the part numbers. We want to correct it. When I call git status, the Git recognizes the BJT transistor library changed. We have to commit the changes. Git add dot. Git commit -m with a description saves the changes. All is stored locally, but we need to work remotely. We have to sign in to GitHub and create a new repository. I will keep it private. The GitHub wizard helps to finish the job. The commands are the same as in the cookbook. And see, all files are stored remotely, ready to be used by your engineers.